Hello, beautiful people. I'm back again with another video. For those that are new, welcome. As you can see, this is the Juvia's Palace. Oops, sorry, Juvia's Place, even though they are a palace. This is the order from them. I'm going to be showing you guys what's inside the box and all that good stuff. So stay tuned. This is the makeup bag. The makeup bag. Ooh. Ooh, so cute. Inside is not as, it's pretty, decent, it's not bad. It's so cute. I love the material, just love that type of, material. And it says the Juvia's Place right there on it. As you can see, it's cute. Ooh, ooh, ooh. But as a hold as a bag, no. It's really cute. So. Next we have is the Juvia's Place brushes. The color I have is red. Oh my god, guys, these brushes are so cute. I love them. It feels so soft. So it actually goes in order. So this is the J1 round top foundation brush. The bristles are super soft. Oh my god. Super, super soft. So it's pretty cool. The next one we have is the J2 flat top foundation brush. So it has a little flat top. So it's flatter than this. So this is kind of more round, circular. This is more of a, they're both circle, but this one's more flat, and this one's more like, thicker and round. So, it's good to pound it in like that. It's really good for that. It's really cool. Next we have is the J3 tempered contour brush. So that's good for the contouring. So that's really good. What I love about these brushes, they're so soft. The next we have, I'm tripping. The next we have the J4 liquid primer brush. So this is for your primer, to put it in. It's pretty cool. It's a little flat. Next we have the J5 round eyeshadow blending brush. That's pretty good. So it's the eyeshadow. It's pretty good. I'm still learning the whole eyeshadow thing. It's gonna take me a little bit to know. And it's so cool that it has like the Juvias on it. It's so cute. Put it this way. Well, you get the point. Next we have J6 buffer eyeshadow brush. Ooh, that's so cool. So I guess buff around there. It's pretty cool. I love the color red. Like this type of color red, like a royal red, The next is one second, y'all. This is J7 small shimmer brush. I guess it's for the shimmer. Shimmer. I'm not sure, but we'll figure it out. So it's a little flat, kind of looks like the primer brush. It's like a little baby to it, and it's like that type of wooden material type of thing. This is J8 small corner brush, corner of your eyeshadow, so it's really defined. So I think that's pretty cool. There you have it. It's a little tiny brush. Next we have, well, actually the last one, the number 9, J9 brow definer. So this is for the eyebrows. So your eyebrows want to be on fleek, child. I love these brushes. They're so firm and soft at the same time, and it's like it goes with what you control the brush, you know what I mean? It follows what you doing, you know what I'm saying? My nose itchy. But I love it. I love the color. I love it. And I love how it's numbered J1, J2, J3 till J9 because there's 9 brushes and it, you know, it tells you what it is. That's so cool. Ooh, the eyeshadow palette. Oh my god, guys. I love this palette. I love how it's so pigmented and all that. Ooh, this is so gorgeous. Moving to foundation. This is how it comes in. It comes in like this little handy, it's just like fits in your hand, and it's like a little cute travel size. It's pretty good for like, you know, traveling too, so you know, you don't need to like worry about anything leaking in your bag. So this is really good for people that travel, you know, traveling or anything like that. You can just slip it and nothing's coming out because I believe there's a tab on it. Yeah, there's still a tab, so we can remove that when I'm testing the makeup out. But I'm just showing you guys how it looks. Has Juvia, and this is the shade I got was Accra 3/3 Tavia concealer. I just love the little, like, you know, the box, the packaging. And this is the shade 10 Magic Concealer. Wow. Ooh. Look at the size of this thing. This is pretty, you know, darn big. Like, compared to, you know what I'm saying? It's like, look at that. Look at that. It's like the same thing. It's pretty cool. I love the Juvia'S how it has it on here too. It's like pretty. I love Juvia on this whole thing. I just love it. Like, this is pretty big. Like I said, this is shade 10, and also says it at the bottom. Shade 10. Let's go ahead and open it. Ooh, the brush is really big. Look at that. The applicator, I should say, is pretty big, so it's like covers the whole eye. Like, you only need like a little bit, like maybe two lines. Like that shit. Next is the loose powder, Eye Magic setting powder, and this is the shade Kalahari. Let's go ahead and Kalahari. Let's go ahead and open that. I'm almost ripping the package. It's the shade Kalahari. That's pretty cool. So that's like the setting powder for this. Pretty decent, you know, traveling size. So I really did get my money's worth, and I'm very, very excited about that. Everything looks gorgeous. Like, I'm so excited. So let's go. I don't know why I put that bag. Make a bag. Got all this. We got this. All this. The brushes, like Juvia's Palace. Juvia's Place. Like, you guys are a palace. Like, thank you so much for inventing, creating this masterpiece. Like, I am, like, just by, like, you know, just by the, you know, I can't even think of it. I'm just lost of words. Just by, like the covering, the labels, just by the labels, the covering, just everything, like, everything looks so good, and you guys, like, did your thing, and I'm, like, thankful. Like, I can spend good money on, and I can get good quality on. I haven't checked, tried it out, but I know that it's gonna be good. So I'm thanking you guys, and I pray that more things comes out, and I pray that I can invest more money into getting more of that. It's good stuff. So thank you again.